When it comes to legendary off-road vehicles, few names command the same respect as the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ45 pickup. Known for its unbreakable reliability, military-grade toughness, and timeless design, the FJ45 is more than just a truck. It's a symbol of endurance. Born in the early 1960s, the FJ45 was part of Toyota's iconic Land Cruiser 40 series, a lineup that cemented the brand's global reputation for durability. Unlike most pickups of its era, the FJ45 wasn't built for comfort or style. It was built for survival in the world's harshest environments. From the Australian outback to the Middle Eastern deserts, and from the African savannas to South American jungles, the FJ45 became the go-to vehicle for explorers, farmers, military units, and adventurers who needed one thing above all else: a truck that would never let them down. It's not just a vehicle. It's a legend written in dust, forged in heat, and powered by Toyota's relentless pursuit of reliability. At the heart of the FJ45 lies Toyota's bulletproof F-Series inline-six engine, a 3.9-liter powerhouse producing around 125 horsepower and 209 Nm of torque. These numbers might seem humble today, but the F engine was all about torque, simplicity, and longevity. This engine was designed to run in extreme conditions, from freezing mountain passes to scorching desert trails, without missing a beat. Many FJ45s around the world are still running with their original engines, a true testament to Toyota's engineering philosophy, built to last forever. The drivetrain featured a 4-speed manual transmission, part-time 4-wheel drive, and heavy-duty leaf-spring suspension on both axles. Together, they created a setup that could climb, crawl, and conquer where most trucks simply gave up. The FJ45's body was built from thick steel panels, making it virtually indestructible. Its solid front and rear axles were legendary for their strength, while the transfer case allowed smooth shifting between high and low ranges, giving drivers total control over any terrain. Whether you were hauling livestock, pulling a trailer through sand, or driving through rivers, the FJ45 did it all, and it did it with unshakable confidence. The FJ45 pickup wasn't designed to win beauty contests. It was designed to survive anything. Its boxy, military-inspired design emphasized utility, strength, and practicality over flash or luxury. Every line, bolt, and panel served a purpose. The tall stance and short front overhang gave it excellent approach angles, while its simple flat panels made repairs easy in the field, even with basic tools. The front grille, circular headlights, and iconic Toyota badging gave it a distinct personality that remains instantly recognizable even decades later. Its design was so pure and functional that modern off-roaders still draw inspiration from it, including the modern Land Cruiser 70 series, which continues to echo its rugged look. The pickup bed was massive and built to handle serious work, carrying heavy loads, fuel drums, or even supplies for long expeditions. It wasn't just a truck bed. It was a mobile cargo platform that helped farmers, soldiers, and adventurers accomplish the impossible. To this day, the FJ45's design is celebrated for its timeless simplicity, proof that true beauty lies in purpose and performance. Step inside the FJ45, and you're greeted by a cabin that defines simplicity. There's no plush leather, no touchscreen, and no fancy features, just steel, levers, and determination. The interior was designed with practicality in mind. Durable vinyl seats, metal dashboards, and minimal switches. Everything was built to withstand heat, dust, and years of hard labor. You could hose out the floor after a muddy trail or dusty desert run, and nothing would break. Driving the FJ45 wasn't about comfort, it was about command. The steering was heavy, the clutch firm, and the ride bumpy, but behind the wheel, you felt connected to the machine. Every vibration and gear shift reminded you that this was a real truck, built to handle real challenges. Visibility was excellent thanks to the upright windshield and large windows, making it perfect for navigating tight trails or rocky climbs. And while highway speeds weren't its strong suit, it excelled where it mattered: off the road, in the dirt, through the wild. The FJ45 made drivers feel invincible, not because it was fast or comfortable, but because it was unbreakable. Few vehicles in history have left such a global impact as the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ45. It became the backbone of transportation in remote regions, trusted by farmers, explorers, humanitarian organizations, and even armies. In Africa, it carried supplies through the Sahara. In Australia, it conquered red deserts and cattle stations. In South America, it climbed mountains and crossed rivers. Everywhere it went, it earned the same reputation: it just doesn't die. Its global success laid the foundation for Toyota's dominance in the 4x4 market. The Land Cruiser brand became synonymous with reliability, and the FJ45 was the cornerstone of that reputation. Collectors and restorers today pay huge sums for well-preserved or restored FJ45 pickups. Custom shops rebuild them with modern engines, air conditioning, and upgraded suspensions, blending old-school toughness with new-age comfort. Yet, even in stock form, the FJ45 remains a benchmark for durability. It's not just a truck, it's a tool that built communities, crossed continents, and survived generations. The Toyota Land Cruiser FJ45 pickup is more than a vehicle. It's a legend of endurance. It represents an era when trucks were built not for luxury, but for purpose. It's the machine that taught the world what reliability truly means. Even decades later, when modern pickups are filled with electronics and luxury features, the FJ45 stands tall, raw, pure, and unstoppable. Its design and engineering have influenced every Land Cruiser that followed, keeping the same DNA alive in models like the Land Cruiser 70 Series and Hilux. In a world obsessed with technology, the FJ45 reminds us of something timeless. True strength doesn't need to shout, it endures. Whether parked under the blazing sun of the outback or rolling through mountain trails, the FJ45 tells one story: built to conquer. Built to last, built forever, flexed, globe.